Good morning, Anna. I am also excited about using Google Classroom this year. It is the greatest way that you can be consistent and focus on having those relationships with students rather than just putting your stuff online. I'm using Screencastify right now, so one of the tips that I'd like to give you is that when you're giving feedback to students, when you're looking at their work, why not just screen share it? Now, obviously, I'm just screen sharing the work that you've submitted of adding a private comment, which is my favorite part of Google Classroom because it's not a comment, it's a conversation. And so I'm replying back to you, not just with a comment, but with a video greeting using Screencastify because it's just a extension that I click, it fires right up, and it saves directly to Google Drive. So all I have to do is click to copy the link to my clipboard and put it here in the chat. So you can see my feedback right from the screen, my words, and my face. Screencastify is a great way to enhance using Google Classroom.